Hey everybody, Mario Menduni. Here's a quick little hack to give you guys some stuff to split test on your concepts, okay? So let's say you want to test, a couple dozen body quotes, and, you find your outlier and you're testing different variations. Well, one of the things that can really move the needle with very little effort is to change up the adjective, right? So let's say you have a message card and it says, to my beautiful wife. Well, then just go over to powerthesaurus.org. Little tip courtesy of Janine in my mastermind. And let's say that we're using beautiful. And here we go. Type it in, and you got about 10 or 20 things to split test. I don't know if I'd go with handsome per se, but you got a bunch of stuff you can split test, and you might be surprised how much the adjective can really improve the KPIs. And honestly, you can use a couple different adjectives in a row too. And so there's probably more than 10 combinations here to try. All right, just a quick tip that could actually make you a bunch of money.